Consider a best example for finding the shortest path by using Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, so in this graph, which consists of some number of nodes, and those nodes are connected to by using some number of edges. Here the number of nodes are, these are the nodes A, B, C, D, E and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are edges. Those nodes are connected to these edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges, 6 nodes. Now I can simply explain how we can find out the shortest path from this source A2 and destination D. So I want to go from A to D. Yes. So from this source A2, so in this, in order to travel from source A to destination D, there are so many paths. Yes. So this is the one path. This is another path. This is another path. This is another path. Yes. So among all those paths, I want to find out the shortest path, which is the shortest distance to reach from source A to destination D by using this algorithm. So this is the main aim. Okay. So in this, consider the first step. So I can simply traverse of the graph from source A. So the first step is choose source A and distance of that particular vertex is marked as 0. So at that source, at the initial stage, the distance of that particular vertex of the current node can be treated as a 0. And what about remaining vertices? So those remaining vertices can be initialized to infinity. Yes. So that's why that is the first step is the remaining vertices of distances are set to infinity. This is the first step. And next we can simply start traversing from source A to adjacent vertices. Okay. So what are the adjacent vertices of A? So adjacent vertices of A are B and the next one is E. So what is the corresponding cost? That is 2 and as well as 4. So already traveled distance is 0. So 0 plus 2 is here 0 plus 2 value is 2. And next 0 plus 4 the value is 4. Existing is infinity. Yes. So here 2 is less than infinity. So that's why the infinity is replaced with 2 and here infinity is replaced with 4. So among all those, so here 2 and 4 are distances of B and E. Say among all those 2 and 4, which is the shortest? That is 2 only. You catch my point? So now A is visited. And next, where we can simply go through either B or E, that is completely depends upon the distance of that particular B and as well as distance of that particular E. Here 2 is for B, 4 is for E. So choose shortest. So shortest is 2. Now we can simply perform relaxation operation at node B because that is the shortest. Okay.